HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hey kids! What do you find in the sea? A fish? A whale? A shark? Let's make a shark today. Let's make an eye. Its fin, a curvy line, and its white, sharp teeth. Don't forget to make the bubbles. Let's give a dark outline to our shark. Let's use light blue for the mouth area. I love the color blue, don't you? Let's use a dark blue paint color for the body. Isn't it looking wonderful? Ooh, I love painting. And it's almost done. Time to paint the fins. Let's draw the shark's gills with some lines. Little dots in the bubbles. Ta-da! Our shark is ready to swim in the sea.